Alright, what's the deal, YouTube? We back with another banger, man. What the fuck is that in the middle of the street? Y'all see that shit? There's a lot of weird ass vehicles on the street right now. Oh, that's a fucking tractor. Oh shit, that shit big as hell. Let me get the fuck over. She gonna scrape my fucking wide body. No cap. But nah, we about to get straight into the video though. All these weird things going on. Video literally just started, like damn. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't learn how to do this new thing. Like, I don't know what this shit called. I don't know if it's like rev matching or whatever the fuck you call that shit, but like bro, when I get to like 50 miles per hour and I downshift the second gear and then I let that shit right out to 6th gear like that, you like smack. I don't know, that shit sounds so good though, but I'm about to be fucking around with it. Let me roll down the window for y'all too. God, this wind is crazy, damn. Damn, it's not doing it, bro. It was doing it all yesterday, but I was in sport mode when I was doing it though, so. There it is. It did it right there. That shit sounds so good, no cap. Did it right there too. I'm not gonna lie, my RT used to do that shit all the time though. I don't know what that shit called though, but I feel like it only did that because it was fucking manually deleted. That shit not, it ain't nothing done to this shit. Bro, I need some new tires, bro. ASAP. Like, I really need new tires. I'm about to be saying this shit every video until I get some new fucking tires, bro. No cap. My shit is literally getting sideways, bro. Like when I do that, my shit gets sideways. That shit feels so good. Like I literally go sideways. I don't know if y'all peeped that or not, but like my shit be going literally that way. It go that way. Damn, bro, it's a car coming. Actually, I really don't think I should be going this way, bro. That street fucked up. I'm about to just go straight, man. Fuck all the bullshit. I should have got gas. I was literally just at the gas station. I'm not gonna lie, that wind is too much. Y'all see that mirror? Bro, I wish we had more tunnels, bro, like, to fuck with. car is getting sideways like crazy. But I'm literally full throttling that shit, so I mean, what do I expect? I'm not gonna lie, yesterday when I was doing this shit, like making that noise with the car or whatever, bro, my engine tips was like high as fuck. I literally heard the chiller, well not the chiller because I ain't got no Hellcat, but I heard the engine shit, like the fans and shit going off. I'm like, damn, bro, I was really pushing my shit yesterday. Oh God. That noise is fucking immaculate, bro. Damn, I let it off too early. Way too early, no cap. Hey, yo, what the hell? Dog, my motor about to explode. What the fuck? My shit was just ticking. I think I got the Hemi tick now. Dog, let me make sure my shit's straight. That Durango hard as hell. Oh cap, that shit all black. Damn, my shit making some crazy ass noises right now. Bro, I've been in second gear for like 5 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, I gotta get out of second gear. Bro's not doing it no more. I gotta get the RPMs up. I wonder, can I do that shit in like third gear? I don't think I can do that shit in third gear, I'm not gonna lie. But whatever the fuck that smacking noise is, that shit sounds so good. Like, I'm not gonna even lie. Hold on, we about to try it again. It's kinda hard to do that shit though, like, without no room for real. Cause the RPMs gotta get up. Or at least be at like 5K. Cause the shit make the noise at 6K when it hit like 6K. And I upshift. See, it kind of made it like right there a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's give him some room. dog in the middle of the street. Like, he don't give a fuck. Bro, I know my motor fucking hate me, shit. I'm literally stressing the fuck out my motor, bro. Yeah, I'm low-key gonna have to stop soon because my temps going up. That shit about to be at 260 in a minute. That's how you know I'm literally full throttle in the car right now every time I do that shit. But no cap, we finna go through these tunnels and I'm probably going in the video though. Cause like my engine temps, my engine temps high as hell right now, bro. My shit got like up there real quick. No cap. I'm about to see if I can do that shit in track mode real quick. Hold on. Oh shit, I can. Oh my god, bro. Bro, my engine is going to explode, bro, if I don't chill the fuck out. But this shit sounds too good, bro. Like, I gotta do it again. Bro, second gear? Bro. One more. All right, but no, man. You already know what to do, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram. Other than that, I'm out.